This video is going to be a snack and dessert video. I'm going to make a mix and a personal key lime pie and a chocolate and vanilla parfait with fresh fruit. These recipes are delicious, good for you, and low calorie. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. I'm going to use some strawberries in one of my recipes, and when I buy strawberries, I always put them in a bath of cold water and vinegar for probably about 5 or 10 minutes. Let them soak in the water and vinegar, and that will keep my strawberries from getting moldy. And these are organic strawberries, which would tend to get moldy pretty quickly. And the trick is, after you rinse them really well, you'd have to dry them. Make sure they're very dry, because any water that's left behind will make them, obviously get moldy. So I have my strawberries all set, ready to go. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of recipes that I'm going to be putting together for my desserts and a snack for the week. I am a girl who loves to have something sweet after dinner. I am using a couple of recipes out of Hungry Girl. I don't know if you have ever heard of Hungry Girl. You probably have. She's been around for quite a few years at this point. Lisa Lillian, the Hungry Girl. I have a couple of her books. This one is 200 recipes under 200 calories. And this one is 1, 2, 3, the easiest, most delicious, guilt-free recipes on the planet. I'll take it. What I'm making for dessert is I'm going to make little personal upside-down key lime pies. And I'm going to also make a black and white berry parfait. Now, the black and white berry parfait, this is going to be my first time trying it, but the individual upside down key lime pies I had last week, and they were absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna make those for you. I'm gonna show you how I put those together. They're very, very quick and easy. They just need to set in the refrigerator for a few hours before they're ready, before they have the proper consistency. And all it is on the key lime pies is you use some lime Jello, and you use some Cool Whip, some lemon juice, some fresh lemon juice, and some vanilla. A little bit, use 1 packet of sweetener. This is a 0-calorie sweetener blend. It's an organic stevia, which I believe is natural ingredients. So I'm just going to use one of these packets, these stevia packets, for my key lime pie. So I'm going to make the key lime pie. So this is 1 cup of boiling water, and then we're going to stir our gelatin, our lime Jello, for 2 minutes. So in the meantime, while my water's boiling, I am going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter, and I'm using just regular butter. This is a recipe that's on the back of this wheat Chex mix. Sometimes I like to have something salty at night just to chew on, and instead of going for a bag of chips or just eating a cup of these Cheez-Its, I'm gonna do a mix. And this these wheat Chex have 8 grams of fiber in them, so it becomes something that's pretty healthy. It made a huge batch, so I cut it in half. So I'm doing 2 cups of the corn Chex, 2 cups of this wheat Chex, 1 cup of regular Cheez-Its, my regular Cheez-Its. What I'm using for nuts is I wanted something spicy, so I'm using almonds that are these sweet Thai chili almonds, and then I'm just using mini pretzels. And then what you do is you put them in a bowl, you melt the butter, you stir the butter over it all, and then you put Parmesan cheese and 1 package of ranch dressing. Mix it all up, and then you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, stirring after each minute.
and then you put it on wax paper to cool, and then you store it. So it seems pretty easy. And if you snack on like a cup of this stuff, it's probably going to be about 200 calories. It's just a good little snack to have. The Hungry Girl recipes, the key lime pie one is only 82 calories. And the Parfait, the other one that I'm going to make is a black and white fruit parfait. And that is just Jello, sugar-free Jello, chocolate and vanilla, and some strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. And you just layer, you layer half the chocolate pudding, then you mix the fruit with the vanilla pudding, you layer half of that, then you put chocolate and you put some more vanilla with the berries. And that is your berry parfait, and that's only 196 calories. So because I like to have dessert after my meal, one of these desserts is guilt-free, you know, and it doesn't feel like you're blowing your whole day when you're trying to eat good. So I'm gonna make the Jello first. So I'm gonna bring you in so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to refrigerate this for 45 minutes till it gets a little thick, and then I'm going to mix it with my Cool Whip. Alright guys, so I forgot to put in the little stevia, packet of stevia, so I just added that in. My gelatin is in the fridge, and it's going to get just a little stiff but not set, and that's when I'm going to mix the Cool Whip and then pour it into the individual cups. But now I'm going to do my Chex mix. So I'll bring you down. I'm just going to pour the butter over it. We'll put the Parmesan and the ranch dressing over everything, and then we'll put it in the microwave. So I'm going to bring you in for that as well. Okay guys, so I microwaved this for 3 minutes, stirring in between after every minute. So I'm just gonna give it one last stir because it just came out. And then what we're gonna do is I'm going to lay it out on some wax paper that I have behind me. And I'm gonna just let it cool and sort of dry, I guess. I've never made this before. I'm just gonna give that, I'm gonna give the some Chex mix a little taste just to see. Salty, savory. This is gonna be awesome. So I'm just gonna lay it out on my wax paper. I really can't resist. That's gonna be so good. All right. And lastly, well, I still got to show you the key lime, but I'm going to make my little parfait. So I have raspberries and blueberries, and you saw me prepare my strawberries. So I'm just going to chop up like 1/3 cup of strawberries, and that's just about 2 because this is a big strawberry. So I'm just going to rinse my raspberries and my blueberries. I've already washed my strawberries, so I just need to chop that up. So I'm just going to give these a little rinse. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the vanilla. They didn't have the Jell-O. I buy the Jello 60 calorie chocolate and 60 calorie. This is a snack pack one because they didn't have any of the Jell-O left, the Jell-O vanilla. So this is just a snack pack 60 calorie vanilla pudding. So I'm going to take the vanilla pudding and I'm just going to mix it with the fruit. I'll put the camera down so you can see me mix and make this parfait. There is my black and white parfait. You can see the chocolate pudding, the vanilla pudding, and all that delicious fruit. I'm going to put this in the fridge because it's not dessert time. I'm going to be making dinner now. But I'm going to cover it with some saran wrap, and later on I'm going to have this for dessert. And I'm just going to put a little bit of Ready Whip on top of there. I'm just going to cover this up. I will come back and taste this for you after dinner. I will show you my key lime pies when I mix the Cool Whip. So stay tuned. I'm not done yet. I have 5 little mini personal key lime pies, and they're going to go in the fridge. They have to set for like 3 hours, and then when I'm ready to have one, I just crush like one, not quite a whole graham cracker. I just take like one side and half of the other side, and I just crush it and put it over it, and it's just so delicious. It's really, really good. So tonight I'm going to try that parfait, so I'll show you that after dinner. And then these, I'll show you this one tomorrow. This is my dessert video that I'm trying to do while I'm trying to do everything else. So it's kind of crazy, but it's gonna taste delicious, and that's the point. All right, guys, so I will check back in with you later. Alright guys, I'm going to have my dessert now. I'm just going to give it a try. It seems like a lot to me. I probably will not eat all of this. But I'm going to take some of the chocolate, some of the vanilla, and I have a little bit of whipped cream on there. And I'm just going to give this a nice little taste. It is so good. The fresh fruit tastes amazing. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have any problem eating this whole thing. This is excellent. And it's a great way to finish out a meal, or just to relax after, you know, in the evening, and just have something sweet. This was a success. I will definitely be making this during the week, along with my key lime pies. I will definitely show you the key lime pie tomorrow. I'm obviously not going to eat that tonight on top of this. To show you, I made 6 of these, my little snack mix. I made 6 cups. So it's just a cup. It gives you, that's a ton here in a cup. And this will be great for a snack, watching TV at night. And, you know, it's not going overboard. I'll show you my key lime pie tomorrow, and that will wrap up this video. All right, guys, I am back with my key lime pie, my little upside down personal key lime pie. So I'm gonna just show you the consistency of this pie. Is this has a consistency. So a graham cracker, I usually will break it in half. These little tips are gone because I gave them to Choo Choo. But like, I'll take one and then half of another one. And then I'm just going to, I usually will put this in a baggie and crush it, but I don't have any baggies. I just used them all in my mix. But I'm just gonna crush my graham crackers and put them on top, like it's like a graham cracker crust, only it's upside down. I'm just gonna put that all over the top here. Looks good. And then I'm just gonna give it a taste. See, it's nice and like stiff, like a pie. My phone started ringing. So it tastes just like key lime pie. It has that kind of pie consistency. It stands up on its own. It has that crunch from the graham crackers. Really good snack. And what did I say? It was only like 96 calories? 86 calories? Awesome. So I'm gonna go eat my personal key lime pie and call it a video. Thanks a lot for coming along with me, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed these desserts and that snack, and I hope that you will let me know if you plan on giving any one of these or all 3 of them a try. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this kind of video, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everyone. See you in my next video. Bye for now.